Well, we're heading off to a great start now, aren't we? Okay, he got loose. What up, dude?
The almost got me. I've been working so hard to get here, so I am so excited to test this out finally today. Yeah, let's look.
Let's look at the paddle beast. Here she is.
Yep, Sam's still the temporary radiator. I did tidy up the cables a lot, but just the fact that now it works, because it was like for a week it didn't work, but now it does. So let's go rip some.
Yeah.
Doesn't like the vibrations. I guess it's overflowing something. I don't know. Because at the end it was like they just sort of died again. But it revs good. I don't know. This is fascinating. Also. Oh.
Problems with the box.
Yeah, the card is getting out because I opened this box and modded it and it doesn't like it. And something else is... yeah, this is not meant to be.
The point has been proved that it works.
Yeah,
but
and it is ridiculous. And that was first gear all the time.
Yeah.
Because, you know, and the steering is... This is for drifting. So the steering is like, yank.
Yeah.
So driving faster than that is like, I don't know.
Yeah.
As well. I mean, we will drive some more, but I mean, even though we don't get much more driving, I'm happy that we got to try it one more time.
Yeah, it's like the first real test.
Yeah, but we still need to get it off the ice, so it better start.
Yeah, but I've got my snowmobile, my trusty old snowmobile.
Yeah.
And a strap to tie it down.
Yeah. For me the rest of the way. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, we got a little bit of film of the thing ripping at least.
It was nice.
Yeah. And we got about 200 meters.
I'm not done yet.
You're not done yet.
Let's go back with the snowmobile.
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
got some tools.
Looks like we have company. I wonder if he also have paddle tires that are homemade for pulling wood.
Wanna trade?
Yeah.
So, this one is good. Ish. I mean, might as well heat it up, but I don't think it's wet. I don't know. I guess more fuel, but like the choke doesn't matter. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. So we're going to try to pull start this thing.
Yeah. I still don't know what the problem is, but right now I don't care.
Yeah.
I mean, yes, I do care, obviously, but right now just getting a few more shots in, then I can get rid of these and put regular tires because we got tarmac and do burnouts.
Yeah. The guy driving with the ATV is probably wondering what the heck we're doing.
Yeah.
te lägger på. Ja, då är det kylarväst på. Skärta dig på kylan. We saved it! Oh.
Oops.
Thank God I got a 1.5 liter bottle of water and that it was water. Oh God dang it. Oh, something is dripping. Oh my God.
Well.
I'm shaking so much.
Game over.
God dang it. Oh Jesus Christ, I'm shaking.
Yeah, this is really happening. Yeah.
So let's not try that again.
It is very shaky.
I'm sorry, dude.
Well, now I can't do anything but just continue doing the other real projects.
Yeah. This sucks.
I guess, ooh, this is gonna be not a gnarly ride home. But now it doesn't matter that it shakes because, but, okay, so looking at things though,
I'm just glad I had some water on hand.
Yeah.
And that it was water and that it wasn't frozen to ice.
Okay, well, okay, cool.
Yeah.
It almost started. I had a rim, and I was like, yeah.
Yeah, and then it was like a boom.
But looking at,
Oh,
okay, so now the CDI goes back in. That's good.
oh god dang it. Oh,
Always got the right side of life.
but life gives you lemons. It's burning still.
Oh, yep. Ow! So, I'm trying to take a look at. Well, we could fix everything except this.
Oh no.
I think. Is it? Or is it?
It just got a little bit barbecued.
Hold on. So. Okay, no. So. Oops. I guess the only thing that probably. Stop burning! Shit! Well, I guess I can.
Uh-oh. It's burning.
Well, it's not like I love carburetor engines.
I think that's burning still. Or something is happening.
You know, I'm kind of relieved. So, the good thing I do have is a spare, not a spare, but a new engine coming. As Honda CBR 600 RR, but this is not going in this thing. So I guess I'm just gonna try and sell the spare parts from this.
What happened? I can't really wrap my head
So
around
I think the carburetor started shaking and there was fuel spilling out of the bowls, because a float bowl is gonna keep one steady level for not letting fuel spill out.
Yeah.
But there's like no float bowl action. It's just like spewing fuel out all over.
Yeah.
And probably some wires grinding towards metal and giving a spark. You know, that's, you know, one spark. That's all you need.
Yeah.
And the air filter is good. Because I just borrowed that from another car. Well, I mean, I hope you're happy with this content in a way.
So, that's the test of the paddle car. And our spectators just left.
I don't understand what's up with that.
Yeah, I mean, when something is burning and it's a lot of fuel and everything.
Let's finish, people. Oh, let them be alone.
Yeah, they got it. But to their defense, we did have it put out when they left.
Yeah, but okay. So really though, I think the carburetor is good. Why am I happy? To begin with.
Because you got a new haircut by a burning go-kart.
I don't know if they go. Yeah, well, yeah.
I mean, look at this carnage.
Yeah. I just put 3 days of work fixing the starter gear for this one, like this weekend, among other things. But
We are alive.
we are no harm at all, and no, we're good.
I think this wraps up this project, and this is the end to this. Subscribe to see what we have in store for you next time. I promise you it will be some kind of shit happening, because shit happens on this channel.
Yeah.
So, see you guys.